in today's video I want to show you guys how you can clear your cache on your Amazon Fire TV stick. Okay, for the first step we go to the right here, click on this, and then we can click on applications. So, and when we are here, we go on the App Store. No, sorry, not on the App Store. We go on manage install applications, and then click on this, and here we can go to the specific apps, and then click on this button here to clear the cache. So, and what we can do after that is go back again and click on applications again. So then click on the Silk browser, and when we are here, we can go all the way down to I think privacy and security. No, this is it not. Oh, sorry. You have to click on privacy and security, and then we have here delete browsing data, and here we have clear the cache and something else. So click on this, and then here we have cached images and files and something else. If I could help you with the video, please leave a like and subscribe, and then see you next time.